What's up, fun fans? We are back, and today the boys are going to show you their hot track setup.
Hey guys, welcome back to Famous Fun Now. Today we're going to be doing some more of the
Hot Wheels Part 2. As you can see over here, well over there, it can actually fit now. Because we're doing it on our ping pong table.
Yep.
Yeah, over here, I can transform. Watch! Whoa! Transform! Wait, Alex, you didn't see me. I'm here too. Wait,
Okay,
I'm
so,
right here.
let's put it in.
Obviously, my car is awesome.
Watch this.
Hey guys, you probably can't see, but at the top,
Why did I just fall out?
Because Gorilla got him. Oh. And then
Stop.
the gorilla dies.
yeah, the gorilla's supposed to fall down back on
So
here.
Gorilla got him, so I'm just
Yeah.
gonna not use that thing. I'm just gonna let it
So
go.
I'll show you what happens.
You ready?
So this piece right here activates something back there.
3, 2, 1, go! Wait, go!
This little thing, which makes it fall because it opens another track.
Oh, he made it past the pterodactyl.
Yeah, guys, watch. That's because the pterodactyl's upside down.
Now we're gonna take this and pull it up.
Yeah.
So now he's not gonna go across the pterodactyl anymore.
And my car is coming up.
And then he goes there and it'll raise up. My car's coming now the car's going up. And the gorilla's supposed to be chasing him.
Just keep on going. I'm gonna use this one.
And I'm gonna use...
Oh, it was this one. Oh, okay.
How did he get in there?
So yeah,
Alright.
we're not gonna use this one.
Go. Just eat him over there.
The one that... This one at the top, he just made it.
Give him a little push.
He made it. There he goes. Oh, just in time.
And Pterodactyl was lying in the middle of the track, so yeah, he died.
Literally just in time, I was able to
I have an idea.
pull the red thing down so it went in the pterodactyl trap. So this thing right here is a thing where you turn it on. Let's see. And then you put it in, like right here, and it should shoot out. Watch, ready?
Two hours later.
Okay, watch this. Ready? Woo! Oh, you didn't even see it. Here, give it to me. Josh, Josh, gonna hit you in the face. Whoa, that's cool. So yeah, that will probably be it for part 2. So we'll see you guys later.
Go check
Bye.
out the baby store and get these chains.
Remember to follow my TikTok and Instagram.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, we just broke
So we'll
the
see you guys
wall
later.
again.
Keep it real. Bye.
Bye. We broke the
Bye.